How damnably the men lie in calling Celia sweet and cleanly. Now listen while I next produce the various combs for various uses, filled up with dirt so closely fixed, no brush could force a way betwixt. A paste of composition rare, sweat, dandruff, powder, lead and hair. A forehead cloth with oil upon it, to smooth the wrinkles on her front. Here alum flour to stop the steams, exhaled from sour unsavoury streams. Here gallipots and vials placed, some filled with washes, some with paste, some with pomatum, paints and slops, and ointments good for scabby chops.
The Queen's Perfume. Take 4 spoonfuls of damask water. $30 cloves and 8 bay leaves, as weigheth 2 pence. All these boiled should make a good perfume. King Edward's perfume to make your house smell like rosemary. Take 3 spoonfuls of perfect rosemary, and as much sugar as half a walnut beaten in a small powder. All these boiled together is a very sweet perfume. To take away freckles in the face. Anoint your face with oil of almonds and drink plantain water. Or anoint your visage well and often with hare's blood. To blanch the face, take the pulp of lemons and take out the kernels, and put to them a quantity of fine sugar. Distill these and keep the water to wash your face every night. To take away pimples, take wheat flour mingled with honey and vinegar, and lay it upon them. To make the teeth white and found, take a quart of honey and as much vinegar and half so much white wine, boil them together, and wash your teeth there with now and then. For the lips chapped, rub them with the sweat behind your ears, and this will make them smooth and well coloured. To make the nails grow, take wheat flour and mingle with honey, and lay it to the nails, and it will help them.